What is going on, guys? Mr. Crazy 1870 with an unboxing of the iHome iP4 Portable FM Stereo Boombox. Now, looking at the front, we do have a large image of the iP4. In the corner, it does let you know that this is made for the iPhone and iPod Touch. On the side, it does give you a rundown of the features. Now, looking at the back side, we have another image of the boombox, and it also gives you more info and features of the iP4. So let's go ahead and get this cracking and see what comes inside the box. Now, as soon as you open up the box, now you are greeted with some cardboard, which of course protects the units. Up first, we have the iP4, which I will come back to it and save for last. Now, up inside this little white box is a power adapter, which is what is needed to juice up the boombox. Now, up next, we do have a shoulder strap, which is going to make it easy to take the boombox on the go. Now, here we also have a remote, which also matches the boombox. Now, as far as the controls go, we do have the usual play, pause, track forward and backward, volume up and down. Now, the iP4 does have a FM tuner, so they did include an antenna, which is nice. And last but not least, we have the usual paperwork, registration, and owner's manual. Now, coming back to the iP4 in all of its glory, now this looks real nice. Now, it features that cool old school retro look just like back in the days. Now, this also has this nice soft material. On the front, we do have two tweeters and two large knobs. One is for the volume and the other one is for tuning. Here we also have a 5-band graphic EQ with some dedicated buttons. Of course, in the center there is a iPhone and iPod dock. Looking at the back, there is a huge iHome stamp right in the center. At the bottom, we have the power input, a remote on or auto switch, and last but not least, a line in. So I have decided to give the iP4 a quick test run as I'm all set up and ready to go. Now, I'll give you guys a quick audio demo of the iP4. Now, this is for all you dubstep music lovers out there. So that was just a quick unboxing and sound demo of the iHome iP4. I'm pretty impressed with the sound quality. Make sure to be on the lookout for the full review. Don't forget to check out my 2 latest videos. Feel free to subscribe if you haven't already. And I will catch you guys on the next one. Late.